Welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. I, Professor Uday Vaidya, would like to introduce a new concept, material cost variance. What is material cost variance? It represents the difference between actual cost of material used and standard cost of material specified for output achieved. Material cost variance arises due to the variation in the price and usage of material. Material cost variance bifurcated in two variants, in which one is known as material price variance, where second is known as material volume or usage variance, where material volume or usage variance further bifurcated in two parts, in which one is known as material mix variance, where second is known as material yield variance. Now we are discuss all this in detail. First, material price variance. It is the part of material cost variance. It is created due to difference between actual price paid and standard price specified for a material. It represents the difference between standard cost of actual quantity purchased and actual cost of this material. Second, material usage or volume variance. It is also referred as a quantity variance. It is that part of material cost variance which is due to difference between actual quantity used and standard quantity specified for output. This indicates whether or not material was properly used. Material usage variance consists of material mix variance and material yield variance. Material mix variance. This variance is that part of material usage variance which is due to difference between actual compositions of mix and standard composition of mixing the different types of material. Material yield variance. In certain industry, it is possible to lay down that output will be a particular percentage of total input of material. In a particular situation, it may be a given that normal loss in a production will be 20% of input of material. In a case like this, 80% of total input of material will be a expected output. If actual yield obtained happen to be different from the standard yield specified, there will be a yield variance. These slides give you a solution about a practical problem. This table is useful when factory using only one kind of raw material. In this situation, you have to prepare three columns, which is known as column number 1 indicate as a AQAP, column number 2 indicate as a AQSP, where column number 3 indicate as a SQSP. Now we remember that the rule right side column minus left side column means column number 3 minus column number 2 and column number 2 minus column number 1. Now we observe that what is the basic difference between this column. First, you observe the column number 3 and column number 2. Here we clearly define that here difference is only SQ and AQ. Means here usage of quantity is different from both column. Means usage of quantity are defined on actual quantity and standard quantity. Means this difference is known as material usage variance, where in a column number 2 and column number 1, here we clearly define that the difference is only actual price and standard price. Means this variance is known as material price variance. We already know that material cost variance is a combination of usage variance and price variance, which is defined already. Means now simply adding of these two variants known as the material cost variance. Now this slides to help you solve the problem regarding material cost variance when factory are using more than one kind of raw material. Here we have prepared 4 columns in which first column is indicated as a AQAM AP, where second column indicated as a AQAM SP, third column indicated as a AQSM and SP, where fourth column indicated as a SQSM and SP. Right side column minus left side column are applicable in all material cost variance. Means here 4 column minus third column. We observe the fourth column and third column and clearly define that here the difference is only and only actual quantity and standard quantity. Means usage of quantity is a differ from each other. Now we already studied that the quantity are depend on usage, and usage is a combination of material mix and material yield. Here when company more than 2 or more than 1 types of raw material using at the time, material mix is also variance. Now after deducting material mix variance, which is the result happen is material yield variance. Now column number 3 and column number 2 are observed. Here we clearly define that here only in a column number 2 we are using actual mix, where column number 3 are using standard mix. Means here mixing is the problem. Means the difference of this 2 column is known as material mix variance, where column number 2 and column number 1. After observing this 2 column, we define that here the difference is occurred due to only and only price. That is why this variance is known as material price variance. We already studied that material mix variance and material yield variance is a part of material usage variance. Means summation of these 2 variance is known as material usage variance, and material usage variance and material price variance is a part of material cost variance, and summation of this variance is known as material cost variance. Thank you so much.